inside Edo today. Edo State Government don tender board for EDPA, ECTS and 2 others. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate board for Edo Development and Property Agency, Edo City Transport Service, Edo Health Management Board and Technical and Vocational Education Board. As governor dey talk for the inauguration wey shele for banquet hall for Edo State Government House, he talk say as dis boss dey ground so, e go help Edo State Government well. We can see Governor Godwin Obaseki talk say EDPA na ogbonge organ for real estate for Bendel State, and say him believe say dem go carry housing matter go up well for Edo State. For
any government to run efficiently, you need to have the full complement of the bureaucracy to make the government function optimally. But what we noticed when this administration came into being is that for such a long time, for so long, we have not done things properly in Edo State. Even as it relates to our parastatals and our agencies. A lot of these agencies and parastatals were not established for the fun of it. They were established by law to perform certain activities and to support government.
ECTS, Ian say Edo State Government ready reposition the agency as them don already give the agency about 300 motor for some years now. Governor talk say the promise wey him make give Edo people when in the campaign, say him go create 200,000 jobs still dey ground berekete, and it go come from Technical and Vocational Board as them go help government rebuild all technical schools and vocational centers for Edo State.
Go and see what we have done with Benin Technical College. We need to build 20 of such institutions across the state. Is it the Technical and Vocational Education Board? I promised that we're going to create a minimum of 200,000 jobs in my first 4 years. Where are these jobs going to come from? They are going to come, hopefully, from the private sector. Hopefully, from technical areas. Because how many people can government employ? Or if we don't have an agency that knows what it is doing to help me as we are rebuilding our technical schools and vocational centers, how are we going to train these people to be able to get these jobs?
Governor Godwin Obaseki come say belle no sweet am at all on top wetin the shele for Stella Obasanjo Hospital. And now all these kind things na Edo Health Management Board go put body as them go follow state government work to change the face of healthcare system for Edo State. And he called this one Edo Health Improvement Plan.
While you were waiting for me here, I was inspecting Stella Obasanjo Hospital this morning. What I saw there made me very, very sad. Since that hospital was built 12 years ago, not one kobo has been put in terms of maintenance. In fact, most of the equipment that were bought were never used. There was 2 ICU units. The way they were installed 12 years ago is where they are today. They had a board. They were being supervised by a board. This is not what I expect of this board that I'm swearing in. We are doing a total transformation of the healthcare system in Edo State, just as we have started with education. It is called the Edo Health Improvement Plan. You are going to be playing a very significant role in this plan. So as we swear you in today, we are swearing you in to serve our people. You have responsibility for everybody in Edo State that is going to benefit from your agency. We have brought you in because you are political leaders who are in tune, who are in sync with the aims and objectives of our party. I have no doubt that those of you who were inaugurated today have the capacity. If you don't do it, it's because you don't want to, not because you cannot. But I am sure you will.
Now, Godwin Obaseki, they salute the chairman and members of the different boards. He tell them, saying, want make them do their work well, make it for benefit Edo people. Ken Omowe be the chairman of Edo Development and Property Agency, EDPA, and when I talk on behalf of the new chairman and members, she talk say them ready to work well and deliver, give Edo state government and Edo people.
When Mr. Governor was speaking, he made it clear what the government's decision, vision for Edo is and the responsibility that is actually placed on us. He stated we are called to serve, and rightly so. I, on behalf of all of us here, commit to that charge and assure you that the responsibility that has been bestowed on us, you will not regret it. Edo State government will not regret it. And Edo State will be better as a result of us being inaugurated. We assure you that the vision that has been carried and made clear, and as you always make it clear, that it is understandable to all of us, and we would continually do our best. We ask that the support that we require, you've assured we will get it. So we look forward to delivering on all of the scope that has been given to us. Thank you very much, and God bless Edo State.
Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State government don tanda board on top EDPA, ECTS and 2 other boards, as this one go carry government matter waka for Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na TVEB media, and I'm carry am come give una. And so to get more of this ogbonge story, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for TVEB Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for TVEB Media. Una fit log on to www.tvebmedia.com.